It is generally not permissible to install a standard switch or a ground fault circuit interrupter (GFCI) protected outlet directly behind a bathroom shower wall. Electrical codes prioritize safety in wet locations, and the area immediately surrounding a shower or bathtub is considered a high-risk zone for electrical shock. Firstly, the presence of water significantly increases the risk of electrical current traveling through a person, potentially leading to severe injury or death. Secondly, the close proximity of electrical devices to a water source elevates the chance of water entering the device, causing short circuits, equipment damage, and further increasing the risk of electrical shock. Thirdly, building codes and electrical standards such as the National Electrical Code (NEC) establish specific guidelines for electrical installations in bathrooms to mitigate these risks. These codes typically define zones around showers and bathtubs where the installation of standard electrical outlets and switches is prohibited. These zones are carefully calculated to maintain a safe distance between electrical devices and water sources. Fourthly, ground fault circuit interrupters (GFCIs) are designed to protect individuals from electrical shock by quickly detecting ground faults and interrupting the circuit. While GFCIs provide an added layer of safety, they do not eliminate the risk entirely, and their installation behind a shower wall would still violate safety regulations. Fifthly, even if an outlet is GFCI protected, the physical act of reaching behind a shower wall to access a switch or outlet could expose a person to moisture and create a potentially hazardous situation. Sixthly, the NEC, along with local building codes, dictates the permissible locations for electrical devices in bathrooms. These codes specify minimum distances from water sources for outlets, switches, and other electrical equipment. Seventhly, any electrical work performed in a bathroom must comply with these codes to ensure safety and prevent violations. Eighthly, modifications to electrical systems should only be carried out by qualified electricians who are familiar with local codes and safety regulations. Ninthly, if electrical outlets or switches are needed near a shower area, they should be installed outside of the prohibited zone and must be GFCI protected. Furthermore, weather-resistant outlets and covers should be used to provide additional protection against moisture. Tenthly, it is crucial to consult with a licensed electrician to determine the safest and most code-compliant solution for electrical installations in bathrooms. The electrician can assess the specific layout of the bathroom, identify potential hazards, and recommend appropriate measures to ensure electrical safety. Consider these points carefully when planning electrical work near showers. Always prioritize safety and adhere to electrical codes. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical installation, seek professional guidance to avoid potential hazards. Electrical safety is paramount, especially in environments where water is present. Ensure that all electrical work is performed by qualified professionals who can guarantee compliance with safety regulations. Ignoring these regulations can have severe consequences. Furthermore, consider the impact of improper electrical work on insurance coverage. Insurance companies may deny claims if electrical installations do not meet code requirements. Maintaining a safe and code-compliant electrical system protects your property and ensures your safety. Moreover, the resale value of a property can be affected by non-compliant electrical installations. Potential buyers may be hesitant to purchase a home with known electrical code violations. Addressing electrical issues promptly can prevent future problems and maintain the value of your property. Safety inspections can identify potential electrical hazards and ensure that your home meets safety standards. Regular inspections are recommended to keep your electrical system in good condition. In addition to GFCIs, arc fault circuit interrupters of SIs can provide additional protection against electrical fires. SIs detect dangerous electrical arcs and interrupt the circuit to prevent fires from starting. Consider installing a SIs in your home to enhance fire safety. Furthermore, surge protectors can safeguard electronic devices from voltage spikes. Surge protectors help prevent damage to sensitive electronics caused by power surges. Use surge protectors to protect computers, televisions, and other valuable electronics. Proper grounding is essential for electrical safety. Grounding provides a path for stray electrical current to flow safely to the ground, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Ensure that your electrical system is properly grounded. Additionally, avoid overloading electrical circuits. Overloading circuits can cause wires to overheat and lead to fires. Use appropriate wattage bulbs and avoid plugging too many devices into a single outlet. Damaged electrical cords should be replaced immediately. Damaged cords can expose live wires and create a significant electrical hazard. Inspect cords regularly and replace them if they show signs of wear or damage. Moreover, keep electrical panels accessible and clear of obstructions. Easy access to the electrical panel is crucial in case of an emergency. Do not block the panel with furniture or other items. Educate yourself and your family about electrical safety. Knowing how to respond to electrical emergencies can save lives. Teach children about the dangers of electricity and how to use electrical devices safely. Furthermore, if you experience frequent electrical problems such as tripping breakers or flickering lights, consult with a qualified electrician. These issues may indicate underlying electrical problems that need to be addressed. A qualified electrician can diagnose and repair electrical problems to ensure the safety of your home. Remember, electrical safety is an ongoing responsibility. By taking proactive steps to maintain your electrical system and following safety guidelines, you can create a safer environment for yourself and your family. Prioritize safety in all electrical work. Ensure you have correct amperage and voltage on circuits. Follow all safety regulations to make certain the safety and well-being of yourself and others, and that you adhere to the proper rules and codes. You will want to be certain to use junction boxes in accessible locations. Make sure junction boxes are accessible and the box is closed, so that if maintenance is required, the job can be done safely. Finally, be certain that you always turn off the power at the break before doing electrical work and that you have visually identified the circuit to be worked on. Lockout and tag-out procedures are essential for any electrical work. This prevents accidental energization of the circuit while you are working on it. If you have any questions, consult with a licensed and qualified electrician for guidance and assistance.